So, as much as, yeah, we're gonna actually dive into this guy today. Hey, it's chilly. Well, sorry, the iPhone, both my cameras are out of battery, and I left everything at the shop last night, probably just due to the excitement of driving home on that thing. By the way, if you guys missed the first drive video, check it out. So, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dive into the fuel pump today. Location, man, it is cold. Wow, I haven't been in this thing in a while. The fuel pump, I believe, is located underneath the rear seat. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. All right, so, wow, I haven't been in this thing in a while. The fuel pump, I believe, is located underneath the rear seat. If you're curious, if you guys wanna do this at home, if you're wondering, fuel pump, well, first off, the seat just lifted up from the front, clips right out, and it'll literally pop right out, no problem. And then your left, God, this phone has a flash. Awesome. So, basically 4 Phillips heads, and we're found with this, which I gotta figure out how to open. It's a little bit dirty. Wow. Well, it shows how much I work on this thing, right? It's actually not over there. I don't know what that is over there, but it's actually over here on the passengers. Whoops. All right. Well, this doesn't seem proper. How does this open now? Oh. All right, so I'm learning with these things, bro. It's actually, that's how it's supposed to be. So that one is supposed to be blocked off, and now to get this off, you just have to spin off this little ring gear. This might honestly end up being its own damn video, bro. All right, so we got the fuel line off. Let me see if I can tuck it away, kind of. See what we got in here, eh? Little tubular in the way. I mean, it doesn't look bad until I freaking break it off. Come on. I don't know. Is there a problem with it? Seems like she's going. Alright, so here's my next plan. I'm gonna get everything hooked back up, put a little fuel line on here, and just guide it into just an empty bucket just to see if this is pumping fuel out. So let's give it a test. Alright, so as you can see, got it all hooked up, and we got our line feeding in to empty can. It's working. Kind of. Let's try it again. Oh no, that's good. It's working. Alright, so what I did is I took off this cover, and I figured that I saw that there was a little little valve right here. You guys can see that up in there. So this is your fuel rail, but I primed it a few times, and I pressed in this little valve, and I got nothing but a little puff of air. So something's telling me that it might just honestly be the fuel filter. I don't know, man. It's strange. All right, here's my next plan of attack. Now I'm gonna guess. I think I'm right that this side is gonna be the return side of the fuel system. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna undo that fuel line, take that fuel line and put it into our empty can. Then we'll see if we get anything coming out. All right, this is my scientific. The line's not long enough. All right, we'll do just a quick test. If we get anything, we'll shut it down. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can take a look in. Oh yeah. All right. Damn. All right, we have fuel. We definitely have fuel. All right, so we have checked for fuel. I guess now that means we can only check for spark. So out come the spark plugs. Well, it's turned out that I have came to a halt because I have ran out of the tools that I am in need of. There's literally nothing in this garage anymore. The way this happened too, it was outside. I pulled it inside, had no problem, shut it down, and then the next time I went to go ahead and start it, just wouldn't start. So very, very interesting. I thought it would be the fuel pump sock, but it seemed okay to me. All right, guys, it is days later. Status update on the BMW, and yeah, we're still recording the iPhone. So actually, by the way, progress update. Bumper is fixed, as you can see. She's looking good as new. Just kind of have to tie it up at the fender liner, so this will all get tucked in properly and how it should, like that. But yeah, so that's looking good. I am gonna go ahead and replace the crank position sensor. However, it's way deep inside of there, and all I have with me here are an Allen key set, wherever those went, and I need like something that hooks onto a socket so I should get some leverage on it. So I need to go to the shop. We'll bring back some tools, and tomorrow we'll go ahead and continue off and hopefully get that sensor out, because it is right up against the block, way back there. So well, first off, hopefully that fixes it. Otherwise, we're looking good as far as front bumper goes. If you guys are curious, what I did, so those 4 bolts, there's 2 are hidden under there. There's 4 bolts here. Take those 4 off, same on the other side, and the whole bumper will disconnect. Basically what the issue is, it's weird, these crash bars are set up quite oddly. That's like a shock absorber right there. But what happened was the bracket that actual absorber mounts to was bent. So basically just kind of tweaked them back into place, and we are good to go. So easy bumper removal, just have to kind of take off your headlight to get access to those bolts, and you're good to go. Oh dear. Alright, it has been multiple days since our last update, guys, since we're messing with everything in the fuel. Obviously still on the phone just because this is the only kind of real thing we have with light here. So now I replaced the camshaft position sensor. We're good there. I replaced the spark plugs. We're good there. I am now diving in. As you can see, I took off the throttle body, the the cruise control plate or whatever that is, and we are deep in here trying to replace the crank position sensor. I'm gonna see if I can get you guys in here. We're going in. We're going in. Where is it? You see that? I got our bolt on it. So I'm about to weld that bolt, because, okay. I'm about to weld that bolt you guys saw on there to the actual Allen, because someone has definitely been in here before to try and replace that and failed, so then gave up, and they definitely chewed up the actual, I guess, bit of the hex head. So I've tried every little thing here and there. I'm not messing around anymore. We're going to go ahead and get ourselves a weld in there. I'm so surprised I'm actually able to fit my torch down in there. So let's try and get this thing done, man. Fire this up tonight. That would be incredible. So let's get this welded. I'll touch back up when it's complete. Yeah. Oh my God. What chaos right now. Believe it or not, though, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm currently holding in my hand is the old crank positioning sensor. Oh man, you guys want to see this bolt? Wait until I tell you how I got it out. Look at that bad boy. Does she wanna, there we go. Yeah, she round. So, I don't know why, I could not for the life of me get the welder to actually weld. I could get it to weld onto the nut, I could not get it to weld up to this. I don't know why, it just would not weld up to this, it wouldn't. Basically, found Mr. Old Long John, where's he at? Where's the old Long Johner at? Oh, here she be. Yeah, this old behemoth right here. Basically got it jabbed down in there, up against the bolt at a crazy, I had to fish in through so much stuff just to get in there, and basically just got it on the actual bolt head and just started beating it with the top with a hammer to create an indent. And guys, somehow I managed to actually break it loose with this huge screwdriver and got it out of there. Oh man, hours and hours and hours and hours of work just for this one little bolt. And we don't even know yet if this is the issue. So I put the new one in. However, I need to get a new O-ring, and I also need to get, obviously, a new bolt. And I don't really want to put everything all back together just to go ahead and take everything all back apart again, just to go ahead and replace this bolt. So tomorrow in the morning, I'm going to go to Home Depot. It is late. It's like 1 in the morning. It's late now. It's like 1 in the morning. So no trip to Home Depot right now. Very good. All right, it is cold. We're still on the iPhone, but the car runs. So, okay, listen to this. This is how we got the damn thing running. A hammer. This was the tool that we needed. So the fuel pump was the issue. Basically, my buddy, well, I guess a guy I met online, sounds really weird, right? On a local kind of car Facebook page. Real cool dude, and he thought it could be the fuel pump, started nailing on it with this thing, started coughing into life. So we'll be getting a new fuel pump. However, guys, the new owner is coming tonight. It is currently like 11:30. The man is flying in from Ohio and driving it back, so woo! I just went ahead and cleaned it all up, so I think we should be good to go. Should be good. I mean, she fires up, she runs. I put some like fuel cleaner in it, so I mean, wish you the best, man. All right, man.
Better get the good side.
I know, right? Well, I can't even see anything on this side. Can I even see it? No, I can't see squat over here. Kinda. I can see the only thing I can see is the wheels. Well, it's like what time is it?
1:44.
1:44. Ben flew all the way from Ohio. He out here driving this thing out. Good luck to her, man. Good luck. Yes. There we are. All right, man. Drive safe. And enjoy it. Enjoy it. Let me know. Keep me posted. I'm up late, so just let me know how it goes for you. So, all right, man. See ya. There she goes. So long. Woo. She gone. That's right, BMW is sold. We got the new girl in the garage. It was a much needed sell. It was just one of those things. I never really kind of was too into the BMW. It was a great car. It did me well. It took me to and back from the shop multiple times without any. Honestly, it never left me stranded. Besides the one time that I blew the tire on it. But no, I'm really excited for this car, guys. You know, it was bound to happen. This one, I don't see myself selling nearly as quickly. I definitely plan on kind of holding on to this, and I have just a boatload of parts that are on the way. Well, some of them are here, a lot of them are here, but we still have a lot more to kind of get. Well, I mean, I ordered them, they just need to arrive. Ben, shout out to you, man. Good luck with it. He's been killing it. So first off, if you guys want to just follow the BMW in general, if you guys want to stay updated to the build, the dude has already put the cap back on. He has welded the diff, got new tires on it. I believe it's Ben 94 Smith. I'll have it either on the screen or down below, just for you guys to just go ahead and check out. Follow the dude, and therefore you guys can see the E36 kind of in the background. It doesn't belong to me anymore, but it's still there. Thank you guys for watching. This was kind of it was a nostalgic video. Obviously, we're kind of on the iPhone, which was a first. And we're in the garage, which is different. But we out here. We'll be back at the shop. A lot going down, guys. S13 is going to be complete in the next video you guys see. And the big reveal is coming. So once that's done, we're going to start diving in real hard to the S14, get that thing complete, and a lot more to come, guys. So stay tuned, subscribe, stay notified, social media all down below as always, guys. Grab a sticker. Patrons, you guys are awesome. If you guys want to help support the page, become a VIP, go ahead and become a patron today. Link in the description. Would really mean the world. So thank you guys again. Appreciate you. Have a good night. Later.